Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between customer and consumer. Although these two terms are closely related in business and marketing, they are not the same. Let us understand their differences one by one in a simple and easy way. Number 1. A customer is a person or organization who buys a product or service, whereas a consumer is the person who actually uses or consumes the product or service. Number 2. A customer makes the purchase decision and buys the item, whereas a consumer mainly uses the product after it is purchased. Number 3. A customer may buy products for personal use, resale, or business purposes, whereas a consumer uses the product mainly for personal or final consumption. Number 4. A customer becomes the owner of the product after purchase, whereas a consumer may or may not be the owner of the product. Number 5. A customer is directly involved in the buying and payment process, whereas a consumer is usually not involved in making the payment. Number 6. A customer pays money to the seller for the product or service, whereas a consumer often uses the product without making the payment personally. Number 7. A customer has a direct relationship with the business or seller, whereas a consumer has an indirect relationship with the business. Number 8. A customer communicates with a company for orders, deals, and support, whereas a consumer communicates mainly for usage feedback, satisfaction, or complaints. Number 9. Marketing strategies focus on customers through pricing, profit, and business benefits, whereas marketing for consumers focuses on emotions, lifestyle, and satisfaction. Number 10. Examples of customers include retailers, wholesalers, businesses, and organizations, whereas examples of consumers include individuals, families, and end users. Number 11. Customers often buy products in large quantities and less frequently, whereas consumers usually buy products in small quantities and more frequently. Number 12. Customers may purchase goods in bulk for resale or business use, whereas consumers generally purchase products only for their own use. Number 13. Customers look for value, quality, profit, and efficiency in products, whereas consumers mainly seek comfort, satisfaction, and convenience. Number 14. Customers may buy products like machinery, office supplies, or wholesale goods, whereas consumers commonly buy groceries, clothes, electronics, and personal care items. Number 15. Customer demand is usually derived from business or resale needs, whereas consumer demand comes directly from personal needs and wants. So, these are the major differences between customer and consumer. Every consumer is not always a customer, but every customer ultimately serves a consumer in the market. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.